Welcome back to this video. If you have been using Android phone and you really want to get more storage space by deleting other files, bulk files that consume a lot of storage on your Android phone, consider to watch this video and from beginning to the end and see how to delete other files right now in order to free up more storage space on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone master. So I'm going to click on my phone master right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to storage clean. So it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is simply scroll down and make sure you go to files. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to large files. It's going to take you to all the large files you have for your Android phone. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and make sure you click on others. That's going to take you to all this junk file right here. So you can see it consumes a lot of storage space right here. You can scroll down right here and review some of the files you would like to delete. So like for instance, I'm going to simply get rid of this. So what we want to do is to simply click on here to select. Having select, next thing you need to do is to simply click on clean right here. Confirm cleaning one file. This action is irreversible. Simply click on clean. You can review and clean as many as possible on your Android phone in order to free up more storage space on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.